Hello, welcome back to Italian Food Boss. Today it's Trout Day. Look at this fantastic coral trout from the Pacific. That's what we are going to cook today in a typical Italian style. Al cartoccio. We are gonna take this fish, we are going to season it with the parsley, lemon, garlic, bit of oil and salt, then wrap it into foil and bake in the oven. Very simple procedure, but take the highest quality fish you can get. I'm using a coral trout, any trout will work. I'll show you how to cook this fantastic dish. Come. I've got a coral trout today, clean, no interior, very good. I'm gonna position my trout on some foil. So a sheet of foil, that's all I will need. And then I'm gonna do a couple of things. I'm gonna take a lemon and I'm going to slice a few slices of fresh lemon. Now I'm going to put some oil, some olive oil on top, and olive oil inside. Okay. Then some salt on top, pepper on top, a bit of salt and pepper inside as well. Something more. My lemon. 1, 2, 3. That's good enough. A bit of parsley from the garden. Like this. Look at this. Put it in there. Now we slice the garlic. I forgot the garlic, guys. Just smash the garlic with the shirt on, so don't uncover the skin. With the shirt on, just put one here and one there. That's it. Now we take a tomato and we slice it. That's it. And we put these slices in here, inside our trout, as much as we can. That's it. That's it. Now we take these tomatoes, different one, cherry tomatoes, and we just toss them around here, you know, just wherever you feel. You don't have to be very precise. This is fantasy, creativity, guys. Just like this. Now another thing I like to do, put some lemon slices on top of my fish. I'm gonna do this again. A few more slices. That's it. 1, 2. No, not this one. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. A bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. This fish is so good, mamma mia. And this is pretty much ready. So now what we want to do, you can add a bit of parsley, just like so, because parsley is always good. And now we have to prepare our cartoccio. Okay, cartoccio means I have to do this thing. I have to take my foil, do like this, and I have to wrap my phenomenal trout in the foil. Leave a bit of this oven like this, and now we put it in a tray. That's it. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius. Read in the recipe what that means in Fahrenheit, for about 25-30 minutes. And this is a fantastic fish meal that I suggest you're gonna eat with a bit of white wine as usual. Enjoy your meal. I'll see you in 25 minutes when this is cooked. And while our trout is cooking, some nice white wine, because we made so much effort. We want to drink. Few more minutes and the trout will be ready. All right, it took a bit longer than what I thought because this was a really big trout. Took almost an hour, almost. But this is ready. Let's take our trout. Wow, look at this. The smell is something fantastic. Fantastic. Now what we do, we just cut it in the middle. Maybe we let it cool down a bit. Cut in the middle and then we plate it and we try it. I'm ready. And you? And there we go. What I did, I removed a bit of the trout. I plated a bit of pepper, just a sprinkle of oil, and we are ready to taste this fantastic coral trout al cartoccio. Look at this. Look at this. The fish, remember, you never need too much. Fish is beautiful and tasty as it is. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Just fresh, beautiful ingredients. Wow. Amazing, amazing. Questa trota, trota al cartoccio. Guys, I come from the south of Italy, you know. We eat a lot of fish. Of course, this trout is from the Pacific, because where I live now. But we really eat a lot of fish in the south of Italy. Well, that's how it's done in Italian. Thanks to all of you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Give a like to this video if you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends. Eat good Italian food. Doesn't take long, not too much effort. Watch my other recipes. I have a lot of fish recipes as well if you like fish. Otherwise, pasta, meat, whatever. This is really good. Can't stop. White wine. Enjoy, guys.